Imagine a camera that doesn't just take pictures. It freezes reality so sharply that it feels like you can step back inside the moment. Every drop of rain looks sculpted. Every shadow carries depth. Every movement feels alive, not captured. This is not just another upgrade in photography gear. This is a shift in how images are created, and the upcoming Sony S7R6 is rumored to be right at the heart of it. If even half of these leaks turn out true, we are looking at a camera that could completely rewrite what high-end mirrorless really means. For years, Sony's high-resolution lineup has dominated the full-frame world, especially for photographers who demand extreme detail. But in 2026, the expectations are no longer just about megapixels. The industry is moving toward a smarter balance: resolution, speed, and intelligence working together in a single body. And that's exactly where the S7R6 becomes so interesting. It's not being designed just to capture more detail. It's being designed to think faster while doing it. At the center of all the rumors is a brand new sensor approach. Leaks suggest Sony may be testing either a refined 60-plus megapixel class sensor or something far more aggressive, pushing beyond 100 megapixels. But the real breakthrough isn't just its structure. A stacked or partially stacked sensor design is expected, which could dramatically reduce rolling shutter issues. That means fast motion won't look warped or unnatural anymore. Quick pans, moving subjects, or sudden action could finally look as real in photos as they do in your eyes. And here's where things start to feel almost unfair compared to older system speed. Traditionally, ultra-high-resolution cameras have always been slow and careful tools, great for landscapes, portraits, studio work, but not for action. The S7R6 is rumored to break that rule completely. Early leaks suggest continuous shooting speeds that could reach around 20 to 30 frames per second in RAW. That kind of performance would put it in a category that blends studio-level detail with sports camera responsiveness. Under the hood, everything is expected to be powered by a next-generation processor built specifically for heavy data loads, huge image files, advanced computational photography, real-time AI tracking, and high-resolution video processing, all running at once without choking the system. This is where Sony seems to be pushing the future cameras that don't just record, but actively assist in decision-making. Autofocus is also expected to take a major leap. Instead of simply tracking eyes or faces, the system is rumored to understand full body movement and subject behavior. That means the camera won't just follow where someone is, it will predict where they're going. Whether it's a bird taking off, an athlete sprinting across a field, or a subject briefly blocked by objects, the tracking is designed to stay locked with near-human awareness. For photographers, that translates into fewer missed moments and far more usable shots in fast environments. Video performance is another area where the S7R6 could become a hybrid powerhouse. Reports suggest 8,000 recording oversampled from an even higher internal resolution, delivering extremely sharp and detailed footage. On top of that, 4K at high frame rates like 120 fps is expected to be included for cinematic slow motion. If true, this positions the camera not just as a photography tool, but a serious filmmaking machine capable of competing with much more expensive cinema systems. Sony is also rumored to be improving ergonomics and usability in a noticeable way. A deeper grip design is expected to make the camera more comfortable for long shoots, especially with large telephoto lenses. The electronic viewfinder could also see a major upgrade in brightness and resolution, making outdoor shooting far more reliable even under harsh sunlight. The idea is simple: reduce friction between the photographer and the image. One of the most exciting rumored features is raw pre-capture. This means the camera can buffer images before the shutter is fully pressed, allowing you to recover moments that happen just before your reaction. It's the kind of feature that sounds small on paper, but in real-world shooting wildlife, sports, street photography can be the difference between missing and getting the shot. Heat management and endurance are also expected to improve significantly. High-resolution video and fast sensor readouts generate a lot of heat, but Sony is believed to be adapting cooling strategies from its cinema line. That could allow longer recording times without overheating interruptions, making the camera more reliable for professional work. Storage and workflow improvements are also part of the picture. Faster media support, more efficient file handling, and a refined menu system are expected to make operations smoother. The goal is not just power, but speed of use, because in real shooting environments, every second matters. As for timing, most industry chatter points toward a possible announcement window in 2026, likely in the first half of the year with pricing expected to land in the premium professional range. Won't be cheap, but it's also not trying to be. This is aimed at creators, professionals, and hybrid shooters who want one system that can do everything at a high level. If these leaks hold true, the Sony S7R6 isn't just an upgrade. It represents a direction change. Cameras are no longer evolving in a straight line of megapixels and image quality alone. They are becoming intelligent tools, faster, smarter, and more adaptive to the way humans actually shoot.